Does crypto disappear into thin air? Unveiling the mystery of Coinbase wallets. Ever dipped your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Maybe you've bought a little Bitcoin or dabbled in Ethereum. But then a question pops into your head: where exactly does all this crypto stuff live? Does it just vanish into the digital ether? Fear not, crypto-curious comrades. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Coinbase wallets, one of the most popular ways to store your hard-earned digital coins. Now, Coinbase itself is a giant in the crypto exchange world. It's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade all sorts of cryptocurrencies. But simply buying crypto on Coinbase doesn't necessarily mean it's stored directly on the platform itself. That's where wallets come in. Think of it like this: Coinbase is the bustling marketplace where you find your crypto treasures. But you wouldn't leave your precious jewels lying around the store, would you? That's where your personal wallet comes in, a secure place to store your crypto holdings. Here's the twist: Coinbase actually offers two different options, a built-in wallet and a separate Coinbase wallet app. Let's break down the differences. Coinbase Wallet, built-in convenience. Imagine you're browsing the aisles of the crypto marketplace, Coinbase, and decide to snag some Bitcoin. With the built-in wallet, your purchase automatically gets stored within your Coinbase account. It's a convenient option, especially for beginners, as everything is neatly tucked under one roof. Coinbase Wallet app, taking control of your crypto. But what if you crave a little more independence? Enter the separate Coinbase Wallet app. This is a self-custody wallet, meaning you hold the private keys, the digital keys that unlock your crypto. It's like having your own personal vault separate from the marketplace. This extra control comes with a responsibility, though. Losing your private keys means losing access to your crypto forever. So, if you choose this route, make sure you back up those keys securely. Security matters, keeping your crypto safe. Security is paramount in the Wild West of cryptocurrency. Coinbase employs robust security measures to protect your holdings, both on the exchange and within the built-in wallet. But remember, with the Coinbase Wallet app, the ultimate responsibility falls on you. Here are some golden security tips to remember. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone along with your password. Beware of phishing scams, never share your private keys with anyone, and double-check website addresses before logging in. Consider using a hardware wallet. For the ultimate security buffs, a hardware wallet stores your private keys offline, adding an extra layer of protection against online attacks. So, does Coinbase have a wallet? You bet. Now, to answer the burning question, yes, Coinbase does have a wallet, or rather, two options to suit your needs. The built-in wallet offers convenient storage within the platform, while the Coinbase Wallet app grants you greater control with self-custody. Ultimately, the choice depends on your comfort level and security preferences. Exploring the crypto ecosystem beyond Coinbase. Coinbase is a great starting point, but the world of crypto wallets extends far beyond. There are dozens of other options available, each with its own features and benefits. As you delve deeper into the crypto space, you might explore hardware wallets or even explore decentralized wallets that don't rely on any central authority. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.